Hiccup Helpers! Art by Henri Rousseau and music by Johannes Brahms. Hi, I'm Leo. Today we're playing in the Rocket Room. Our friend Rocket has lots of stuff for us to play with, and he always shares.
Sharing is a great way to show your friends that you care about them.
So is teaching them something new, like a song. Will you teach us your song, Rocket?
Uh-oh, Rocket has the hiccups.
Rocket can't sing if he has the hiccups.
What are we going to do? I know! We should find a way to surprise Rocket's hiccups away.
That's a great idea, Annie. We've got a mission! We've got to find a way to surprise Rocket so his hiccups go away. To Rocket! Welcome aboard! Buckle your seatbelts. Seatbelts buckled! We're going to need a lot of power to blast off. Pat, 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 pat. June is patting. Quincy's patting. Annie's patting. But we need more power. Now raise your arms as high as you can and say, blast off! Blast off!
I just love Orchestra Ocean. There are so many kinds of instruments. We need to find the instrument that makes the loudest, most surprising sound to surprise Rocket's hiccups away.
What about cymbals?
Great idea, Quincy. Cymbals are percussion instruments. They play by crashing together. That'll make a very surprising sound.
Rocket really liked being surprised by those cymbals. But does he still have the hiccups? Uh-oh, Rocket still has the hiccups.
We have to find another way to surprise Rocket's hiccups away. I've got a plan. Orchestra Ocean has a lot of instruments that make surprising sounds. Maybe one of the others can surprise Rocket's hiccups away.
Does Rocket still have the hiccups? Uh-oh, Rocket still has the hiccups.
What are we going to do?
Oh, hello, little mouse.
Rocket, did that tiny little mouse surprise you?
Rocket sounds different. Listen.
Rocket's hiccups are gone. Now we can all sing together. All we need is some music. Will you make some for us?
That Rocket is so silly. The instruments didn't surprise him, but a tiny little mouse did. You're welcome, Rocket. We wanted to help because we care about you.
Mission completion! You sure helped a lot today. Give yourself a round of applause. Go on, clap for yourself. And let's clap for the team and the special art and music.
Bravo!
You were great.
You rock! Awesome!
Yay! Yay for you!
See you on the next mission.